So the NHT has some new homes on the block, and this is in the Majesty Gardens community in 3 Miles, St. Andrew. So there's not a lot of information that I can give you about this new housing development, but applications open tomorrow, and I decided to do a quick little video just to share with you guys what I do know so far and what you should know or what you can know. And I'm also open to learning about what you guys know about this housing development, right? So that's what this video is going to be all about, all the information that we know about Majesty Gardens so far. I must preface this video by saying that I am not an affiliate of the NHT. I do not work for the NHT, so please, 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 I'm just here to share information, to learn with you guys too, because you guys teach me so much as well. So let's just talk about what we know about Majesty Gardens, and let's jump right into this video. All right, so what do we know? 29 housing solutions are going to become available starting tomorrow, July 8th at 8 a.m. on the NHT website. Now, based on what I read in the brochure and on the information given on the NHT's website, it seems as though there's still not 100% clarity on this matter, but it seems as if these homes are specifically reserved for the person in the Majesty Gardens area. I believe based on what persons were saying, it's like they were displaced, their homes were displaced because of the building of that new highway. So if you haven't been in the 3 Miles area in quite a while, then you probably wouldn't have known that the new highway, it extends all the way back out to 3 miles now. So there's this overhead road, and down there just look nice, and traffic is smoother down there now because of the building of that road and the extension of that highway from like Spanish Town Road and all of that. So down there look nice now, and of course with the building of that overhead road and the expansion of the highway, persons seems as if persons were displaced. And based on the comments and based on how NHT worded all of this, it seems as though these homes will be reserved for the persons in that area specifically. So on their brochure, it did say that these homes, well, it didn't say the homes, it said that persons in the Majestic Gardens area, because there's already an existing community there, are being asked to apply for these new homes. Now, with NHT, everything is subject to affordability. All right. And what I'm understanding, or what I am suspecting, based on the fact that this was even extended to the general public, of course, they had to make the persons in the community known of this, but based on how it was extended to the public, and based on what I am going to think and go with, as I said before, I'm not an affiliate of the NHT, but to me, what me think is, if the persons in the Majestic Garden communities, probably they don't take up these offers, or probably if they cannot afford all the homes here, because they're going to have homes going up to 10 million, and I'm not judging anyone in that community saying that they can't afford it, but no NHT, and I know how NHT and them points business go. Maybe probably they look and say probably the persons in Majestic Garden don't have enough points. NHT already. All right, so let us be true Jamaicans, and let us use the signs around us, and let us look to what has happened previously. All right, so we know NHT and their point system. Brittany, hey, I would love to see the persons in Majesty Gardens who already live there get all of these homes. That would be my dream. But as we know, sometimes our dreams don't line up with NHT dreams. So maybe if they cannot get the quota of persons to fill the communities for these new housing solutions being offered, then they may take persons, from other communities, St. Andrew communities, because they always go with priority of the parish that you're from to get the scheme homes and so on. So let's say that they don't get enough residents from Majesty Gardens to apply for these homes, then probably that's when they would use like your applications now from persons from other communities. You get me? That's what I think. I don't know these things for a fact, but that's just what I'm thinking. And you guys can tell me in the comments too what you think as well. All right, because even on their website, they made sure to put subject to affordability. All right, they made sure to put it there. So they're saying, if you can't afford it, it's not like it's going to be granted to you, especially with the 100% financing and all of that. And maybe persons don't even apply from that community. Who knows? So what will be offered? 23 studio duplex units starting at 6.67 million. All right, and the lot size, the unit size will be 252 square feet. Then you have 4 one-bedroom duplex units starting at 7.98 million, and the duplex size will be 417 square feet. And as you know, with the duplex, that's the same thing similar to Catherine Estates, where the house, it's one thing and it's split in half, duplex. All right, so similar to what I showed you in Catherine Estates video. And then you'll have 2 3-bedroom duplex 2-story units. All right, these will go for 10.64 million, and they will be 833 square feet. So as you can see, you have a ground floor and then the first floor. It's a 2-story 3-bedroom unit. Now, with these housing solutions, being similar to an NHT scheme home, NHT is offering up to 100% financing for these homes, subject to affordability, of course. So you can have up to 100% financing for these homes. That would mean that you won't be putting down a down payment for these homes. All right, so applications open again tomorrow, July 8th at 8 a.m. What I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to come back to this video and I'm going to include a link for the application. So if you're interested, you can come back to this video tomorrow at 8 a.m. if you're watching it late, or if you're watching it tomorrow at this time, then it will be live, and then applications will close on Monday, July 11th. So I wish you guys all the best in your application process. I hope the persons in Majesty Gardens get these homes. And I pray that, if persons in the Majesty Garden community who already live there don't get these homes will go to, persons deserving of it. Because I get so many requests for affordable homes in the Kingston and St. Andrew areas. So many persons wanting homes, just wanting a start, just wanting somewhere to just move in with persons with kids, and with them even offering 3-bedroom options, and it's a few, and the 1-bedroom. I really hope someone or persons deserving really get this one, and I hope this is a prayer answered for some persons. It may sound dramatic, but it really is. It really would be for some persons a prayer answered, because I get so many requests for affordable homes in Kingston, right in the 6 million range and the 7 million range. So I do hope that everything goes smoothly with this housing application intake. And thank you guys so much for watching the video. If I get more information, of course, I'll update you guys. So until my next video, you guys, bye.